Browse current and past quotes and invoices. You can browse quotes or invoices by using links located on the Quick Link screen and in the Browse menu. When looking at your past quotes, items are displayed with the newest quotes appearing first and are paginated for easy navigation. Items can be easily filtered by any number of field parameters like date, total, customer reference, or PO number. To view the details of an item, simply click on the desired row. Generate a PDF of your quote by using the provided links. You can easily download and print your quotes at your convenience. Use the same method to browse, filter, and download your invoices at any time.